My name is Azlan'S Chaat, and in this short video, I'm going to briefly explain what is chaat masala, what makes my chaat masala special and unique, and what makes it so great, and also what you can use it for. Now, chaat masala is a spice blend, which is Indian spice blend, which has been traditionally used to spice up potatoes, fruit salads, and things like that. Now, every region and everybody's grandmother in India have their own chaat masala recipe, so the ingredients vary. So because of that, I've decided to choose the spices with the most nutrient density and nutrient diversity to give you the maximum nutrients for your money. I've also put in 3 different ingredients which are not normally used in chaat masala, which is moringa powder, which on its own would taste bitter and sour, amla fruit powder, which is also bitter and sour, and daun pegaga powder, which is bitter. They are sour because of their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is ascorbic acid and very sour. And they're bitter because they have a lot of iron plus a lot of other nutrients. So you can use it on not just on fruit salads, but you can use it anytime that you want to use pepper for not just a peppery taste, because I do have some black pepper in it, but for some extra oomph.